Hello everyone, I am Sebastian Gonzalez. I am a student of the 11th grade. I will explain the superlatives, comparatives, and the connectors. First of all, I will explain the comparatives, give some examples, and then I will continue with the superlatives. And at the end of the video, I will explain the connectors. So, the comparatives are a reference of something against other thing with the same characteristic. As the name say, the comparatives gives us a comparison between two things. Like, for example, in this draw, we can see two lines, and this line is longer than this line, but this line is tinier than this line, or this circle is bigger than this circle, or we can do comparison of almost everything. For example, this guy is stronger than this guy, but maybe this guy can be more perseverant than this guy, and this dinosaur is bigger than this dinosaur. That's the comparatives. Gives us a comparison about two things with the same characteristic. The superlatives is the characteristic in the maximum level. So we can we have some example, like the blue whale is the largest animal in the world. The Venom GT is the fastest car in the world. The Bacata Tower is the tallest tower in Colombia. Or the Earth planet is the biggest in the group, but Pluton is the smallest in the group. So the superlatives is a characteristic in the maximum level, and the superlatives and comparatives have some rules. The rules are that if the characteristic that you want to name have more than 3 syllables, you have to put more at the beginning of the word, before of the word. And if the word that you wanna say of the characteristic that you wanna name have 2 or less syllables, you have to put er at the end of the phrase. Like, for example, excellent. Excellent has 3 syllables, so we have to put more or most before of the word. So Coca-Cola is more excellent than Pepsi. You have to put than on the comparatives. Every time you have to put than when you finish the word. So more excellent than Pepsi is bigger than other thing. You have to put every time than in the comparatives, and in the superlatives you have to put the before. So is the biggest of the world, is the most excellent of the world, and that's the rules that follows the comparatives and superlatives. the connector is a tool that gives us the opportunity of conserve an idea with two phrases, and the connectors, as the name say, connect two ideas to give a sense to the sentence. And we have so the connectors just do an action like this. So just connect two things and give sense to them. We have some examples like with. This in Spanish means con, and can't connect two phrases, like for example, I am in the pool with my friend Tatiana. So we connected the sentence I am in the pool and my friend Tatiana with the connector with. Another example of one connector of the connector is in spite of. That in Spanish means a pesar de. So an example of this is I am happy in spite of I fight with my mother. And the connector can give us the opportunity of continue the idea of the two phrases. I am happy and fight with my mother. I am happy in spite of fight with my mother. And another example is although. That in Spanish means aunque. An example of this is I am happy although I am under the rain. So we connect the two phrases I am happy and under the rain, and that's the connectors. Thank you. And my auto evaluation in the Spanish class is 80. Thank you.